I want your work ethic. Don't compare your work ethic to me. Don't. Okay, here's the thing, right? Like, I used to compare myself to other people a lot, or it's human nature to compare yourself to other people, because it's like, oh, why can't I be as cute as this person? Why can't I be as good as this person? Why can't I do this, that, and the other like this other person? Right? Like, I like to think that I have a really good work ethic. I can spend days cranking on a lot of stuff, but you shouldn't compare yourself to me because I'm a full-time streamer. I also live at home with my parents. So, my life is much easier than most people who have to do content creation because of this. Well, because I struggled early on in my career. I did this and did full-time school at the same time. So that was actually really difficult. But I got over that hump, and now I'm a full-time content creator who lives at home with their parents. So I have all the fucking free time in the world. Right? So because of that, I have the luxury of a lot of free time in which I can go and make content. Yeah, it's also really bad for my mental health, but I have really bad insomnia, so a lot of times I'll just like stay up at night just editing and doing work. I also don't do things for fun because I have a really strong fascination with making money. This is like full transparency, okay? I am really obsessed with money. I care a lot about money. I care a lot about making money. So I don't do things for fun because I just work. Like, when I do things for fun, I think that, oh, I could be making money. So then I don't do things. So like, when I draw for fun, I just draw to make stuff for my Etsy shop. When I am chilling, I am like filming videos. Work ethic is so strong, but yeah, but like my work ethic is really bad. Like, it's actually really bad because I don't take breaks. Because I am so uncomfortable with the idea of taking a, well, like, okay, I will physically take a break from streaming to like rest myself, but I just work all the time. Workaholism's little condition, listen to Cat, yep. I always tell people to take breaks, and then here I am, and I don't take breaks. Money does make the world go round. I have an unhealthy obsession with money. That's literally like all I think of. Something that really hit home for me was I was sitting in call with Annie, A Chowie, and she was like, oh, Kat, what do you do for fun? And what really hit home was when I couldn't actually give an answer.